Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 66th video in this series. It means that we have already covered 65 highly repetitive and real exam questions जो students को exam में आए हैं. They are having high probability. We have discussed the strategies as well as hacks on how to solve them. So let's get started. By now you would know that my name is Bhrat Brij. I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE, and in this video series we discuss the same strategies, the same hack which we teach to our students so that they can also achieve their target score in the next attempt. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. First things first now, PT is accepted in the UK for study as well as 90% of universities in Canada also accept PT academic. Now coming to the today's topic, it's of reorder paragraph in the reading module, and the time which you get in reading module is 31 to 41 minutes, and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks, and it has 5 question types. And the third question type in this order is reorder paragraphs. And it's quite important because it carries 6 marks out of 90. And the reading module, the whole reading module is of 47 marks. So if you are getting 2 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 3 marks each, right? And these are quite important. Every mark is important in PT because you can lose your target by 1 score. For example, you have scored 64, but you needed 65. So that's why even 1 mark has got its importance. And the time what you can spend on solving one reorder paragraph is 2 minutes. And in 2 minutes, first of all, you have to skim it. Then you have to apply a strategy or hacks. Then you have to make pairs. And then you have to confirm all the pairs which you have made are correct or not. And this is today's reorder paragraph. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds. And then we are going to discuss it. Okay, so you know that the first thing we do is we skim it for finding independent line as well as concluding line. And concluding line is optional. For finding independent line, we use process of elimination. उसमें we eliminate all the wrong options जो भी हमारी wrong choices लगती हैं, and whatever lines, जैसे एक line या दो line रहती हैं, that are going to be our independent lines. Okay, so let's get started. Are there any systems that can measure the accounting system? क्या ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन है? यस, हो सकती है. और साथ में ये एक क्वेश्चन है, राइट? पहले क्वेश्चन होगा, उसका आंसर होगा उसके बाद. ओके, वेल देयर इज, वेल से आपका जनरली आंसर स्टार्ट हो रहा है. लाइक आप पूछते हो इज दिस इम्पोर्टेंट, आंसर क्या होता है? वेल यस, दीज आर इम्पोर्टेंट. तो दिस इज योर आंसर. और ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन हो सकती है, नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि अगर क्वेश्चन और आंसर के फॉर्म में है तो पहले क्या आएगा? आपका क्वेश्चन आएगा. मूविंग ऑन टू द थर्ड लाइन, दीज टूल्स, कौन से टूल्स? कुछ नहीं पता है. सो दैट्स वाई प्रोनाउन दीज किसको रेफर कर रहा है? कोई आइडिया नहीं है. सो दैट्स वाई दिस कैन नॉट बी योर independent line also. And this is process of elimination. I call this best friend forever. Why? Because using this we can easily find our answers. Let's see the next one. This enables the access anywhere. This क्या enable करता है? कोई idea नहीं. So that's why this cannot be our independent line also. Okay, so you know that. Now this is one independent line. Process of elimination से हमने बाकी lines remove कर दी. So we have just one independent line and we have kept it. अब पहले ही हमने डिस्कस कर चुके हैं हमारी एलो स्ट्रैटेजी विच इज लॉजिकल फ्लो ऑर्डर स्ट्रैटेजी से. तो पहले आप क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, फिर क्वेश्चन का आंसर देंगे. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट. ओके, तो पहले आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा, उसके बाद आपने क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया. So now let's move it over here. Now you have to just select थर्ड लाइन कि आपकी थर्ड लाइन ये बनेगी या ये बनेगी एंड योर आंसर विल बी सॉल्व्ड। अब आप यहाँ पे देखिए दीज टूल्स और दिस इनेबल्स। अब आपको ये देखना है इससे पहली वाली लाइन में आपको सिंगुलर वर्ड मिल रहा है या प्लूरल वर्ड मिल रहा है। ओके सो देखिए वेल देयर इज एन अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर सिंगल की बात हो रही है। Describe as a type of application software that records and process accounting transaction within functional modules such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, payroll and trial balance. Okay, so आप यहाँ पे accounting system को define कर रहे हो। accounting system कैसे define हो रहा है? Singular के way में। क्या यहाँ पे वैसे भी आपको कोई tools मिल रहे हैं? The answer is no. So that's why the correct one, the correct pair is going to be this. राइट एंड आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद एक ही लाइन बची हुई है लॉजिकली भी वो लास्ट में आएगी सो अब these tools combine together to form a quality service and create a climate of confidence, a customer service strategy that helps to meet specific needs. अब एक और रीज़न है कि ये लास्ट में रिमेंबर आर टॉपिक ऑर्डर स्ट्रैटेजी में क्या होता है अगर आपको जैसे लेट्स से इंडिया एंड बुल्गारिया दो कंट्रीज के एग्जांपल्स दिए हुए हैं या बात हो रही है तो पहले किसकी बात होगी पहले इंडिया की बात होगी और उसके बाद आपकी बुल्गारिया की बात होगी ओके सो सेम वे में आप देखिए यहाँ पे किसकी बात हो रही है अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम की यहाँ पे भी वही अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर की यह यहाँ पे भी दिस इनेबल्स किसकी बात हो रही है अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर की यहाँ पे आपकी एक कस्टमर सर्विस स्ट्रैटेजी कस्टमर सर्विस के बारे में बात होनी स्टार्ट हो गई न्यू टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस हो गया है तो इसीलिए it's going to be in the end also. So I hope this is clear now and let's see if the pair is correct. Yes, the answers are correct. So you see if you know the right strategies, it will be easy to solve reorder paragraphs. And what are our strategies? Our strategies are first finding independent line. We have certain rules and then we use process of elimination to find independent lines. Then BS strategy, brought to specific strategy, CO strategy, chronological order strategy, LO strategy, logical order strategy. You have seen its usage today जहाँ पे question है question के बाद उसका answer था. Connectors, TO strategy. You have seen its usage also. Topical order strategy जहाँ पे हमने कस्टमर सर्विस की बात लास्ट में की बिकॉज एक नया टॉपिक ही इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा था AB strategy, abbreviation strategy, SO strategy, subject object strategy, अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि जहाँ पे सॉफ्टवेयर था उसके बाद आपने दिस यूज किया सो दिस वाज रिलेटेड टू SO strategy and last sentence rules, certain rules which help us to find last sentences. So these are the strategies which you need to learn. But always remember that you have just 2 minutes to solve your reading blanks. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you can skim the content. आप content skim कर सकते हो, then find an independent line and then find conclusion line. And finding conclusion line is optional. अब जो आपने first minute तो आपने skimming और independent line में spend कर दिया, then you have 1 minute remaining. In that you have to apply the strategies, apply the hacks, which you have just learned or which you will learn in our online or in institute class. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. These are some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82 and 81 marks. So if these guys can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you have any question or doubt, you can contact us. If you want to take online or offline coaching, you are more than welcome. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.